Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect your Google Drive account or your storage on Google Drive with your app projects on Base44. For example, to use files and documents from your Google Drive storage here in your app projects in the app editor and builder on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, here on Base44 you will need to navigate to the given app project in the app designer, and if you'd like to insert a file or document from Google Drive, navigate to the conversation with the AI, for example, if you would like to upload it to the conversation, but it's not the only way I can do it. So if you want to do it that way, click into the plus button below the conversation and select upload from Google Drive. However, before you will be able to do that, you will need to connect your Google Drive account first and give Base44 the permission to access your storage there on Google Drive. So to do that, navigate back to your home screen here in Base44, then click into username in the bottom left and choose account settings. After that, guys, what you want to do is navigate to the basic information settings here. No, into account settings in the bottom left. And from there, you'll need to scroll down to these connectors, right? So as you can see, you can connect with GitHub, LinkedIn, and also Google Drive. To do that, click into connect here on the right hand side, confirm, then choose the correct Google account. Give Base44 the permission to do that, to access your Google Drive and the data there. Click into continue, and that's it. As you can see, it is now connected, and now you can use the method I just showed you, for example, here or in the app builder as well. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you connect Google Drive with Base44. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.